Hey guys, it's Rachel. So today I have a very exciting ASOS haul. Oh, ASOS! So I ordered a ton of exciting new stuff from ASOS.com, so I'm going to open it for you guys, and I can't wait to see what's inside. Okay, so winter has definitely arrived here in New York. It has gotten very chilly very fast, so I got a lot of winter pieces, so I will just start with this really cute coat. I am such a sucker for plaid, especially this time of year right before the holidays. I just think that it is so festive and cute. Plus I'm half Scottish, maybe that's part of it. But I just fell in love with this gorgeous coat. It is a long wool coat. Woo. And again, I just love the plaid. This is like one of my favorite plaids when it's like white with red, green, and yellow. I just find it so classic and gorgeous. So I cannot wait to wear that one. Next, it looks like a sweater. So this sweater I fell in love with because it is sparkly. It is kind of a brownish, it's kind of like a yellowy brown, orangey brown. And then it has all of these gorgeous sequins up on the neckline. I just thought it was really fun, sort of something a little bit different than your average sweater. So really cute. I love the way it looks. And it's nice and cropped. It's pretty short, which is something I really like in sweaters. It depends on what the sweater type is. Like this one I'm wearing, also from ASOS. I love that it's kind of long, but I also love sweaters that are really cropped, so you can wear them with high-waisted jeans and skirts. I think it looks so cute. You don't have that additional bulk. Next is another festive sweater. Wait, no. Oh, I take it back. It is not a sweater. It is a skirt. But it's in sweater material, which I thought was so cute. Something a little bit different at this time of year. I just thought it was so adorable. It's kind of got that Fair Isle pattern, so blue, white, and red. So it's kind of a bodycon skirt, but I think this is really cute on. Another sweater. Guys, it's sweater weather. I'm gonna be wearing sweaters from now until probably April, so I'm gonna need a lot. Alright, so this is a cozy yellow chunky knit sweater. So I love wearing bright sweaters. You know, everyone here in New York is always wearing black or gray, and so when you wear something like this, it just immediately gives you a little pep in your step. And so I loved this yellow sweater. Can't wait to wear it. And it's good because I could wear it now, but especially I find when it's still really cold in like March and April, but it feels like it should be spring. You're kind of over the winter. It's fun to kind of wear more spring-like colors, but obviously in something that will keep you warm. Plus they're good, I mean it's good the whole time it's cold. Next is a pair of shoes. Now I love ASOS shoes. They always are super affordable and are often really on trend compared to what you see from higher end brands. But I really just wanted a simple pair of black Chelsea boots. Believe it or not, I don't have a pair of black Chelsea boots, and for certain occasions, walking around, being comfortable, I think a pair like this is great. I have so many booties with a heel, but I do not actually have a lot of flat booties, and so I just went for these because they were inexpensive and I thought I could wear them kind of day to day, and then even on a rainy day, this would be really cute. More festive sweaters. So this, oh wait, is this one a dress? Ah, it's a dress. So this is a sweater dress from the ASOS Petite collection. I mean, I think it's a dress. I think it's long enough to be a dress, let's see. Oh yeah. I think this will be super cute with a pair of black opaque tights, little booties, and I wear so many sweaters, but it is nice sometimes just to have a sweater dress. It's just one piece, dressed, done. And this one I think could be cute even with a belt or not. Just something you can just throw on and you could wear, you know, when you're home with the family or even to like a fun party. That's what I love about a sweater dress. It kind of is so cozy, but you can wear it to multiple occasions. And then I have another plaid coat jacket. Guys, I have a problem. I love plaid. And this one looks so cozy. Oh my god. This one is a little bit shorter, but it is lined throughout, which is amazing. I feel like a lot of coats, they're just lined up in the neck or in the sleeves, but this one is lined fully throughout with like this furry black material. This looks like it is going to be so warm, so cozy, and of course I love the plaid. Don't you guys love plaid? Oh, I find it so cute. Same plaid, more or less than the other jacket I have, but that one is going to be a little bit more casual. I think it'd be really cute with jeans. Love it. Last but not least, another festive sweater. And this one I had to get because it says Joyeux Noël, which is French for Merry Christmas. And if you guys know, I also speak French, so I had to pick this one up. I just love it. I think this might be my favorite one of the whole haul. Joyeux Noël. Oh, I just love it. Brings together all my favorite things. France, Christmas, you know. So yeah, so that's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. And happy holidays. Thanks for watching. Bye.